Lana ilapho Veronique Roberts uneminyaka emithathu achitha khona isikhathi sakhe esantambama. Umama wale ntombazanyana uthi umntanakhe usehlale ebanjwa amaphupha amabi selokhu amaphoyisa kamasipala waseTshwane amsabisa ngokumdubula. uMagda Roberts wamiswa amaphoyisa ehamba ngemoto yakhe emgwaqeni ongaphithizeli entshonalanga nePitoli.
I was honest with him. I told him I don't have a driver's license or anything. So he asked me, isn't there a plan we can make for some cool drink money?
uMagda uthi esikhundleni sokuthi amaphoyisa amnike ithikithi amesabisa aphinde amhlukumeza.
So then he asked me, isn't there a plan and stuff? I told him, no, there is not. So he told me, open your handbag for me. What's in your handbag? I told him in my handbag it's none of your concern. So I was starting to getting irritated with him, and she saw it as well. So she started crying harder and louder. So he put his right hand on his pistol here. He took it like this, and he makes like this. And he told her, he was speaking English all the time. He told him it's in Afrikaans. Kind bly stil of ek skiet jou.
Kanti akuphelelanga lapho.
Got into the car. He was pushing me back to my seat. He pulled out the ashtray and stuff, and he took the money from it, but he broke my whole console there and everything. So then he gave me back the ashtray, or he was throwing it back in the car, and then he just say, have a nice day.
Yize inkantolo isilichithile icala belibekwe uGilbert Mashamaite ngenxa yokushoda kobufakazi, kodwa umlingani wakhe usazobhekana nengalo yomthetho. uSipho Machubeni oneminyaka engama-35 uzofaka isicelo sebheyili kusasa.